చెప్పు. A for B for C for D for E for F for G for H for I for J for K for kite. L for M for N for Nisha. N for O for P for Q for R for S for T U for umbrella. V for ఇటు చూడు. V for W अच्छा X for Y for Z for zebra. Okay, done.